In this presentation, I want to give you 8 tips to help you meditate more. These tips will allow you to meditate every day without needing to reschedule your entire calendar. Let's look at these tips. 1. Meditate in small intervals. The best way to meditate more is to commit to smaller intervals. Instead of setting aside an hour a day to meditate, set aside multiple intervals of 2 or 5 minutes. Meditating in smaller intervals will allow you to disperse your meditation so that you can do more without rescheduling your entire day. 2. Incorporate meditation into your routine. Another way to meditate more is to simply incorporate it into your routine. Just like anything else, you have to prioritize your meditation. If you don't make it part of your routine, you won't do it. Many choose to put a meditation either in their morning routine or night routine. A smart way to incorporate meditation into your routine is to simply meditate for a few minutes before or after every meal. Since you have to take time to eat anyways, use that time to meditate too. Meditating before your meal is a great way to slow your mind down before eating, which will cause you to make healthier food choices and enjoy your meal more. 3. Multitask. The third way to meditate more is to multitask while you meditate. Whenever you perform daily tasks, such as cleaning or waiting in line for your coffee, you can do little meditations. Meditating during your daily routine will allow you to minimize your time without cutting out any chunks in your schedule. 4. Try yoga. You can also meditate more by changing out your workout routine. Instead of going to your regular Zumba class, try a yoga class instead. Yoga is a great form of exercise that challenges your mind and body. Almost all yoga classes incorporate meditation into their exercises, so you will be able to work out and meditate at the same time. 5. Listen to a guided meditation while you shower. Many people use their shower time to reflect and think about their life, so it makes sense to use that time in order to meditate more. While you are showering, you might want to practice breathing techniques or listen to a guided meditation. Just make sure that you take special precautions so that way you don't slip and fall. 6. Meditate during commercials. Another great way to meditate more is to meditate during TV commercials. Like most people in the modern age, you probably watch a lot of TV. Instead of surfing the web during the commercial breaks, you should use that time in order to strengthen your mind through meditation. 7. Fall asleep to a guided meditation. The 7th tip for meditating more is to fall asleep while listening to a guided meditation. Most people need a couple of minutes before they can fall asleep. Use those minutes to listen to a guided meditation. Though you may think that listening to a guided meditation will keep you awake, there are many that are intentionally designed for falling asleep, allowing you to meditate and fall asleep quickly. 8. View anywhere as your meditation space. The final tip for meditating more is to view anywhere you go as your meditation space. Many people fall into the trap of thinking that you have to meditate in a still, quiet room. Though a quiet room may make meditation easier, any place is suitable for meditation. Try changing your mentality about your meditation space and instead view the world as your meditation space.